Do you work in the HR department for your company? Well, let me show you how you can use Jotform AI. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, if you work in the HR department for your company, you can absolutely utilize Jotform AI and Form Copilot to help you build out numerous forms at once. And not only that, if you've already have forms built, Form Copilot can help you edit and even work on conditional logic within those forms as well. So for this example, as you can see, I'm currently in my workspace and I'm going to choose Ask Poto Anything on the right-hand side. And let's go ahead and do voice.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I work in the HR department for my job and I need to create multiple forms. Can you help me do that?
Hi there. Yeah, I can definitely help you create multiple forms. Let me get that set up for you. Okay, Kimberly, what types of forms do you need for the Adrian department? Like intakes, surveys, requests, or HR? And what info should each form gather?
So I need one that is a job application. I need one that is an employee onboarding form, and I need one that is an internal feedback form.
Okay, a job application, an employee onboarding form, and an internal feedback form. Got it. I'm working on setting those up for you now.
Perfect.
I'm still digging through the knowledge base for those forms. Okay, I'll create 3 forms for you. Job application, employee onboarding, and internal feedback, each with the usual fields. Just let me know if you want to add or remove anything specific for your Adrian department. Yeah, almost done. Just give me 1 more second. All done. You'll find the 3 forms: Adrian department job application, employee onboarding, and internal feedback, ready to use or edit in your Jotform forms page.
Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and end. And since this is based on last activity, I'm going to go ahead and change it over to the creation date. All right, so you can see we have our 3 forms here. Let's go ahead and choose the job application. And I don't know if you noticed, but it asked me to give it suggestions on fields to include, but I didn't. So it made everything from scratch, all with AI. So we have our job application. So we have full name, email, phone number, address, position applied for, availability, previous employers, days of employment. Perfect. We even have references. Good deal. All right, let's go ahead and open Copilot back up.
Hi, Kimberly. I'm Podo, an AI agent. How can I help you today?
Hi, before the signature, can we have a document upload option so they can upload their resume?
Yeah, on it. Adding a document upload option for you. Done. The resume upload field is now right before the signature section.
Perfect. Can we change the page background to white and the submit button to black?
So white background and a black submit button. Got it. I'm making those adjustments now. All set with the white background and black submit button. Need anything else?
Yes, I changed my mind. Can we make the background, the page background, black instead?
Oh, okay. Switching the page background back to black. 1 moment. All set with the black page background.
Perfect. Thank you. All right, good deal. And you can easily, like I mentioned, use conditional logic. So if they put something in their previous employers that you want to completely maybe push their resume to the top, you can absolutely do that. Or maybe if for any reason your references are not required and they don't put anything in there, you can have them go to a specific folder in cloud storage, something like that. But it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions on how to use Jotform AI and Form Copilot for your HR department, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.